Easy. Welcome back. We have a Leonicorn swap token airdrop here. So this is the current price of this token as of recording. It's live on CoinMarketCap. You can see the rank is about 3,059 on CoinMarketCap tokens. There are about 16,506 already listed tokens. So it's on the watch list of about 2.5 million persons, CoinMarketCap users. So I think this project is one you want to look at. So guys, this the market data is tracked. You can see circulating supply, volume, market data, and all others. So basically, for this LEOS token, first step, all you need to do, you need to add it to your watch list. You're going to click on this star button. You want to click on it. If you are not logged in or if you don't have an account on CoinMarketCap, it's going to request you open an account on CoinMarketCap. So I'll be leaving a link in the description box. There are two links. One will give you a bonus once you utilize it. So give you a diamond bonus apparently. So signing up with it will give you access to CoinMarketCap diamonds. But whichever you utilize, you can always use it in opening an account. Then you can add it to your watch list. Once you add it to your watch list, make sure you set your watch list as public. So that's step 2 or 3. And this 24-hour time frame, this is just time frame for those people that would want to see the price movement of this token. Maybe for those people who want to know research on this project. There's also links or websites here about this token Leonicorn, so you can check out their official websites and check out the white paper. The audit has been done by Cetic, so you can check out overview and more, guys. So as of recording, airdrop is going to be ending 7 days from now. Says here, Leonicorn Swap Mega New Year airdrop event with CoinMarketCap. So participate in the Leonicorn Swap Mega airdrop event with CMC. Can get up to 12 LEOS tokens. So apparently you want to check out the value of those 10 LEOS tokens, so you know how much worth the airdrop is. So we have total airdrop amount 120,000 LEOS, number of winners 10,000, participants about 2.3 million already. Let's just say 2.4 million. I think before the campaign ends, that's what we're going to be getting. So airdrop is currently ongoing. It says the Leonicorn swap is an advanced AMM with features like NFT marketplace, lottery IDO, and many other advanced features to provide user-friendly, efficient, and secure crypto solutions by utilizing blockchain technology. Okay, so website address https dex leonicornswap.com/home. So more info can be found on our white paper. Okay, this is the white paper here. So step 1, you said add it to your watch list. Step 2, follow them on Twitter. Once you follow them on Twitter, guys, try as much as possible to turn on their post notifications, retweet their pinned post, and tag 3 of your best friends that love this project. So you're going to click on the like button too. Also on the comment section of their post, you also want to click on the you also want to click on it. You also want to tag your friends there. Then step 4 says join your Telegram group. Try and be active. That's a bonus tip. Try and be active. Then step 5, Telegram group 2. Step 6, their Discord group. Try and be active and prove you are human. Step 7, subscribe Unicorn Swap on YouTube. It does a YouTube channel. Then step 8, follow them on Facebook fan page, fill in the airdrop form and leave your BSC wallet address. So that's basically how to go about this airdrop. So guys, if you find this update helpful, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's your boy Akahilz. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section. We'll try as much as possible to assist you guys with all your queries and more. So guys, please stay safe. It's your boy Akahilz. Stay safe and don't forget to click on the notification buttons so you get notified whenever we drop updates on ongoing airdrops. Peace out, guys.